Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an entire house clean with me. So we are going to go ahead and get started in the bedroom. My favorite thing to do first is make the bed. I feel like if my bed is made, I have a clearer mind.
To explain how you make me feel inside, baby. Got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby. You're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my.
Next, I'm moving on to Liam's room. His room seems like it just stays a disaster. When the kids get in here, they just dump all the toys and it's just a mess all the time. So I do have to come in here and make him help me clean it up, but it felt so good after it was clean.
How I shiver inside doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away.
Then I'm moving on to Brystal's room. Her room isn't that bad because they don't normally play in here. With Christmas just being a couple weeks ago, we had a lot of toy overload, so I had to pick up her room as well.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud.
I recently did a deep clean of both of the bathrooms, so I just came into this main bathroom and just wipe off the counters, put things back where they go, and just made sure that all the clothes were picked up.
When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her.
Next, I'm moving on to the living room. There wasn't really anything to pick up because I had just picked it up the day before, but I did want to just go ahead and fold the blankets and vacuum the rug really quick.
Thinks nobody sees, and when she's gone I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go, I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress?
I've been doing a really good job lately keeping up on the laundry, so I just wanted to go ahead and throw a little laundry in, and we will fold that later.
That's how you know you've been in love.
My kitchen is the room in the house that gets the messiest the quickest, so I have to stay on top of it or it gets really bad like this. So cleaning this was definitely a doozy.
I don't know where she came from. It kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about your day.
Anybody else feel like they're constantly loading and unloading their dishwasher? I know I do.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Of course, I have my little helper down there. She loves helping me load the dishwasher.
You are the solution, everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Since my dishwasher was full, I had to wash a sink of dishes, which wasn't really that bad because the kids' cups really do need to be hand washed every once in a while.
You are the solution.
You had me at a low. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too?
Next, I'm going to wipe off the counters using the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scent. I am slowly but surely getting through this scent. I'm ready to move on to spring scents. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a quick sweep of the kitchen.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you,
And you got me too. We can always make it through.
what we do is what we do.
I can
After I switched the laundry, I moved on and cleaned out my fridge. I don't know how we ended up with so much leftovers, but a lot of this is from our New Year's Eve party.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too.
I am finishing up my day by folding this last load of laundry.
Saving you, you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
I hope this video gave you the motivation that you needed to get something done today. If you guys are not following me over on Instagram, I always have my Instagram handle down below. Also, if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, click the bell and it will send you a notification whenever I upload. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.